The week started off really well. We went to Sao Joao viewpoint, the sun was shining, we felt on top of the world, and we had a really lovely day. And then on Saturday, it wasn't raining again, so we just recently decorated this corridor. It was really bad before, a lot of condensation, a lot of damp. It needed painting, so I decorated this whole balcony area, and it was a lot of work. And we removed all the silicone sealant around the window, and then we got 3 weeks of torrential rain before we could do the new silicone. And all that water and all that moisture came in, which has made it really grotty and really damp in here again. So on Saturday we redid the new silicone sealant around the windows. So that's done now, which means a lot less water will be coming in. But you can see from the windows that there's a lot of condensation, and that's a big problem with central Portugal and Portugal houses in general. Like you'll see on the expat immigrant pages that a lot of houses have damp, and there's a lot of moisture in the air, and also there's a big change in temperature. So obviously in the summer it could be like 50 degrees, really hot and lovely, and now it's about 6 degrees, it's cold. We've had 3 weeks of really bad rain, So it causes a lot of damage to the house, and you have to maintain the houses here. You can't really just leave them. They do need a lot of maintenance. So when we were doing the new silicone sealant to the windows on Saturday, we sort of noticed how much damage the rain had caused. So I'm just going to show you now. I just recently painted all of this and cleaned it all. And all the damp that we've had, all the water we've had coming in, has just almost like, and it's undone all the hard work I did. So I'm going to clean it all with soapy water and bleach. So bleach is called Lixivia, and it's really good for sorting out mold and damp. So I'm going to be cleaning all of this with soapy water and bleach. When Dave was doing the new silicone, so he put this new silicone in on Saturday, he had his stepladder balancing here, and the leg of the stepladder went through the floor, and there was a big hole going through to outside. So Dave's filled that in, but it sort of pointed out that there's a problem with this balcony, which we already knew about, but I'm going to show you now. So we've always known that the balcony is something that we'd need to fix. So it has this pillar here, which we don't think is doing very much. It's got two pillars going down here, and then there's another one here. That's what's keeping it up. It's never had a pillar here, and it needs one. So Dave said that this pillar here isn't really doing anything, this one. So we want to take that down and we want to replace it. And then there's never been a pillar here. So Dave found a tree, it was already fallen down, and cut it so it fit here, and he's jacked it up on a car jack, and that's what's keeping the balcony from collapsing. You can see a crack here. But we noticed after Dave's ladder went through the floor, we noticed how much damage the rain's done. So the balcony actually needs guttering. So when we have all that rain, it just falls down the wall and erodes away the concrete. So you can see it's eroded away the concrete here, and we didn't realise how bad it was till the other day. A massive big chunk of concrete just fell out here. So Dave's filled in the hole there, and then the rest of that needs to be filled in sooner rather than later. But we also noticed then that this post here has cracked, and now that's a problem. Normally Dave just brushes stuff off and jokes about stuff when it's quite serious, but he wasn't laughing or joking when he saw that. He was quite worried, and obviously I am as well. So it's a bit of a worry that the balcony seems to have eroded a lot, and it's been affected quite a lot by all that rain that we had. So 3 weeks of torrential rain has really affected what was already a problem, but we thought we had a bit of time. Like, we thought we could at least wait till the new year to fix this, but it's looking like it's quite a serious problem now. But yeah, I don't know when it's going to get fixed, because Dave's just started a really big job that's going to take him through till probably April. But I'm sure we'll figure something out, because This is a big problem that really needs sorting. So I'm here where Dave's working and renovating a house. As you can see, the weather's just beautiful here in central Portugal. And because the weather's so horrendous, Dave's managed, well, it's not his fault, but Dave's managed to get the car stuck. So I've had to come here with a tow rope, and he's gonna tow the other car out of the ditch.
Because it went in there.
Right, and then
to back it out, because it would only go backwards, and it just got worse.
right, okay. Well, hopefully this works and it doesn't trash the citron. Hopefully we can get it out, because it's €50 to tow a car.
Can you try and pull now?
What, push the car? Or I'll get in the Astra and you push it.
Right, this way a bit more actually.
Hopefully the handbrake's not on. The hand is the hand.
I need you to drive this while I drive that.
Is the handbrake off the Citroen? That's what you're going to do now.
No, I'm going to get in it and drive it.
Okay.
I want you to drive the Astra. Give it loads of revs so it don't stop.
All right then.
Try to pull away gently though.
So it snapped the rope. So now we're going to try and tow it backwards. See if this works. Okay, so I'm here where Dave's working, and he's gonna show me around the job he's got. So it's a total house renovation.
First off, taking up all the old floor tiles.
Yeah.
We're going to be relaying, putting new floor tiles down. And taking out that wall, knocking it through to the what's going to be the lounge.
So it's going to be one big open space here.
Yeah, and this wall is coming out. That's good. So this is going to be the dining room. And knock through into the kitchen, so that will be a big open space.
Okay.
This will be the kitchen. This wall's coming out, and there'll be big sliding doors here going into the patio area. This will be the lounge. You can insulate the ceiling, plaster it. This will be plastered. This chimney hood's coming out, and the chimney above it is coming out. This fireplace is coming out, and the chimney.
And you're doing all this?
Yeah. This is all being ripped out. New bathroom, new tiles. Sorry, some of the lights don't work. New tiles in here. It's all going to be walls stripped back and redone. Same in that bedroom.
Bit dark, I can't see in them.
This is going to be the master bedroom, and we're going to build an ensuite here.
So they're all really big rooms.
That's lovely big rooms. Ceiling rose is going to have to go because this won't be the centre of the room anymore once the ensuite is built here. It's going to have all new windows and doors. Loft's going to be insulated, roof's going to be cleaned and sealed.
Are you insulating the walls?
No.
No?
There's a damp problem to address,
Okay.
so we need to put liquid damp proof
Okay.
and building a French drain in the back. So all the water's running down the mountain and running underneath the house. So there's going to be a drain across the back, tanking on the walls and damp cords on the floor.
Ah, so you go like full circle.
Yep. This is going to be made smaller and just a cupboard for the ladder, for the loft ladder.
So it's a bungalow.
Yeah.
And then
There's
and
the
they're
loft.
not doing anything with the loft. I think that's the roadside assistance.
Yeah. Hello? Boa tarde. Desculpa, fala inglês? Ok. Tchau. Obrigado. Obrigado.
Are they on their way?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Well, Occidental said 60 minutes, but he said he's on his way.
Alright.
And he said gracias, and then he laughed.
Gracias.
Yeah. Hola? Hello? Okay, yellow truck, okay. It's a... Muito obrigado. Okay. Ciao.
Did they put an English person on?
I think he looked it up and read it out.
Ah. But they're doing it for free, right?
He's got a yellow truck, as far as I can tell. If not, we might have to nip off and get some money.
So, roadside assistance is on its way because the car is well and truly stuck. We tried to use the tow rope, but it didn't work. It snapped in half. So we called the insurance company. They're gonna tow the car out for free. So I use accidental insurance, which I got through my bank, which is Millennium. We found Millennium to be the best bank here, and the insurance we've had's always been great. I just pay for it monthly. It comes out of my bank every month, direct debit. I think it's about €28. So hopefully when they get here they can pull the car out. Okay, so I'm home now. We successfully managed to get the car out of the ditch, but I could tell that Dave was a bit fed up because of the balcony deteriorating, and then he got his car stuck, and when you get bad weather for a long period of time, it's a bit rubbish. So I'm going to make something to cheer him up. So Dave's got a really sweet tooth. I'm going to make these chocolate orange brownies to cheer him up. It's the end of the week, so he's got the weekend now to rest.